We now go to Rule 4, venue of actions. The venue of actions is just 4 sections, but we'll do part 1, part 2 also with regards to venue of actions. So let's first read section 1. So section 1, venue of real actions. Remember, real actions. Actions affecting title to or possession of real property or interest therein shall be commenced and tried in the proper court which has jurisdiction over the area wherein the real property involved or the portion thereof is situated. So in real action, it's always where the property is situated. But it really depends on the jurisdiction of if it's MTC or RTC. On the next paragraph, forcible entry and detainer action shall be commenced and tried in the municipal trial court of the municipality or city wherein the real property involved or a portion thereof is situated. Remember, let's underline this, MTC. If it's a forcible entry, regardless of the amount. If it's a forcible entry, it is MTC. Section 2, venue of personal actions. So let's go first on the what's real action. Real action is all about a real property. All others are personal actions. So when we say venue of personal actions, all other actions may be commenced and tried where the plaintiff or any of the principal plaintiff resides, or where the defendant or any of the principal defendant resides on, or in the case of non-resident defendant, where he may be found at the election of the plaintiff. Kung saan nakatira yung plaintiff. Regardless if he has a property, for example, he resides in Parañaque, but he has a property maybe, for example, in Silang or Tagaytay city. So if it's a personal action, the personal action, the venue shall be in Parañaque, where he resides. Venue of action against non-resident. If any of the defendant does not reside and is not found in the Philippines and the action affect the personal status of the plaintiff or any property of the said defendant located in the Philippines, the action may be commenced and tried in the court of the place where the plaintiff resides, where the property or the portion of their situation are found. Let's underline. So, kung hindi makita siya, if it's non-resident and is not in the Philippines, the action may commence and tried in the court of the place where the plaintiff resides. That's both. Okay? Kung sino yung complainant, pwede doon din. So, same effect nung personal action natin kanina. Section 4, the rules when rule is not applicable. This rule shall not apply in in 1. First, in those cases where the specific rule or laws provide otherwise, or where the parties have validly agreed in writing before the filing of the action on the exclusive venue thereof. Okay. Kung may agreement yung dalawang parties. Okay. Let's cut this first and then we will go to our illustration. Actually, we didn't prepare any illustration for this, but we will do a bar Q&A just for venue. So we'll see you at the next slide.